Hello, good afternoon, dear friends. Today's topic is clustering method. In this unit, we understand the technique of cluster analysis, understand the use of cluster analysis, understand the underlying statistic used in obtaining a cluster solution, identify the key concept used in cluster analysis, comprehend the process of clustering, discuss the hierarchical and non-hierarchical and combination method for obtaining a cluster analysis. So, in the beginning, first is definition of clustering. Means what is cluster methods? Here I given short definition of clustering method. Cluster analysis is also referred to as a classification technique, numerical taxonomy, and Q analysis. The grouping can be done for objects, individuals, and entities. So you can read and write this definition. One grouping technique is cluster analysis. The basic assumption underlying the technique is the fact that similarity is based on multiple variables, and the technique attempt to measure the proximity in terms of the study variable. In cluster analysis, the whole population sampled is undifferentiated and the attempt to assess similarity in response to variable and the grouping happens post the clustering. In terms of nature of the technique vis-a-vis the other multivariate techniques, cluster analysis is similar in terms of analyzing the function of multiple independent variables. However, there are essential differences between the other data reduction techniques and cluster analysis. In factor analysis, the objective of the reduce the original correlated variables to a more manageable number of orthogonal or oblique factors. However, the data reduction was carried out on the column of the data matrix. On the other hand, in cluster analysis, the focus is on the rows or the individual or entities and the objective is to group the individual and on the variables. The other data classification technique we read about in the previous chapters was to group. Discriminate analysis. Here also one might wish to group individuals or objectives into group, but the classification or identification of group is a prior. Thus, in the technique, one has an stabilized classification rule and the objective of the technique is to validate the information to attest whether the group obtained by the identified function are correctly classified or not. In cluster analysis, the whole population sample is undifferently and attempt to assess similarity in response to variables and the grouping happens post the clustering. Here I given various type of cluster analysis in which partitioning method, hierarchical method, density based method, grid based method, model based method, and constant based method. In which one part, partitioning method we will use in numerical example. Here I given some point where we can apply cluster analysis, whose writes you should read and write in your notebook. These are very useful for giving answer in fourth unit. And here I give uses of cluster analysis. We can broadly see that we use cluster analysis. Cluster analysis has widespread applicability in all branches of social science and management. In management science, its most valuable contribution is in the area of marketing, especially market segmentation. Some application of the techniques are given in this slide. Market segmentation, as we know, market segmentation is the process of splitting customers, potential customers within a market into different group segment where customers have the same similar requirement satisfied by distinct marketing metrics. This is one area that has seen maximum theory, maximum theoretical on the basis of the output of the technique. Some examples are Acron, ACORN, a classification of residential neighborhood based on 40 variables. PRISM, PRIZM, potential rating index by zip market. This is based on 39 variables. The solution provides 62 lifestyle categories. The advantage with the technique is that one can look at the combination of variables to predict consumer or potential consumer group. In short, Acron, ACORN, and Prism, PRIZM, are prime examples of the market segmentation techniques. Here, one can look at the combination of variables to predict consumer or potential consumer group. A cluster analysis is the best classification technique when multiple factors are involved in data collection. Second use of clustering is segmenting industries or sectors. The researcher could also go about grouping product or sectors, for example, health or education, into blocks that have some common traits. This makes it easier for both the organization and policymaker while planning or evaluating the performance of the group. Third use of segmentation as third use of clustering is segmenting markets. In this process, cities or regions with some common traits like population mix, infrastructure development, climate, or socio-economic condition could be clustered together. If one city in Kerala and another in Andhra Pradesh are in one cluster, then the organization is able to plan and execute a similar business approach in the two areas. Third use of clustering is career planning and training analysis in the area of human resource management HR. This technique is very useful. The technique can be used to group pupils into clusters on the basis of their educational qualification, experience, aptitude, and inspiration. This grouping can assist the HR division to effectively manage training and manpower development for the member of different cluster effectively. And last use of clustering is segmenting financial sector or instruments. This is an emerging area where different factors like raw material cost, financial education, seasonality, and other factors are being used to group sectors together to understand the growth and performance of a group of industries. This also assists the policymakers and the financial analysis in assisting the monetary implication. A number of researchers are making use of clustering principle to group consumer and their investment behavior on the basis of the combination of different variables and benefits. Thank you. Now, in the next lecture, we applied cluster method in an example and learn how econometric software will be useful to analyze clustering. Thank you very much. Bye bye.